What's up everyone? So in this video I have the Nikon D3000. I'm gonna do some portraits with it. I just want to say major thanks to Penny for coming along.
Hi guys.
And you can give her a follow here, and I'll have the descriptions below where you can give her a follow too. It's beginning to warm up a lot now. Take some pictures outside here. You can click right here if you want to see my review on it. It is a pretty old camera, but I just want to show you that you just need some pretty decent lenses to get some pretty good quality images. The three lenses I'm going to use today is a 35mm 1.8G DX, the 50mm 1.8G, and 85mm 1.8G. Alright, so I have the 35mm 1.8G DX on the Nikon D3000. And then since there is some light, I'm not going to use high ISOs. I'm just going to use like ISO 100. And I'm just going to shoot at f1.8 just to see how it looks like. So those were the shots with the 35 1.8 GDX. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the 35 on the D3000. I think it was alright. You know, it's a lot better than I thought it would be. I'm catching that sunset colors, so those colors are definitely popping out. Right now I have the Nikon 50mm 1.8G on the Nikon D3000. See how it goes. Those are the images with the 50mm 1.8G. Let me know what you think about these images. I thought they turned out pretty good, especially on the D3000. Now I'm gonna move on up to the 85 1.8G. So those were the shots with the 35, the 50, and the 85. I just want to say major thanks to Penny for coming out.
Thanks for having me.
A little chilly today, and the sun was slightly going down, so you can see that my shutter speeds were just going a little lower. But I just wanted to show that at f1.8 with the Nikon D3000, all these lenses performed out really well. Comment below and let me know what you think about the images too, and I will have links below where you can purchase these lenses as well. So if you're interested in the 35 or the 50 or the 85 1.8, click on the links below and that's where you can purchase them. If you have any comments or questions about these lenses, feel free to ask below. I'll try my best to help out. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and definitely give Penny a follow. And I just want to say thanks for everyone watching. See ya.